Today, I'll walk you through how to upload a picture on Snapchat from your gallery, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your favorite moments with friends so you can keep your social media game strong. First, let's get started. Open your Snapchat app. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat often updates its interface, but the core functions remain the same. Now, once you're on the camera screen, look for the gallery icon. This icon usually appears as a small square at the bottom left of your screen. Tap on it to proceed. This is similar to opening a photo album. You're about to choose a picture to share. Next, select Camera Roll. This is where all your saved images are stored. It's like browsing through your personal collection of memories. Take your time to find the perfect photo you want to upload. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you've found the photo you want to upload, tap on it. After you click on the image, you will see two options appear on your screen. You can either add it as a story for all your friends to see or send it directly to a specific friend. This choice allows you to control who gets to enjoy your snapshot. If you choose to add it as a story, it will be visible to all your friends for 24 hours. If you decide to send it to a friend, just select their name from your contact list and hit send. This way, you can share your moments privately or publicly, depending on your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a picture on Snapchat from your gallery. It's a simple process that can enhance your social media presence and keep your friends updated with your latest adventures. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.